Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Jasion EB7 2.0 electric bike for adults, a foldable, fat tire e-bike that's built for speed, power, and versatility. Click the link below for the best price. Let's start with the performance. The EB7 2.0 is powered by a 1200 watts peak motor, giving you excellent torque and acceleration. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, this bike gives you the thrill and pace you need whether you're tackling hills or cruising flat roads. The motor is smooth and responsive, making every ride feel powerful and controlled. Paired with a 48 volts 10Ah removable lithium battery, you can expect a solid range on a single charge, perfect for both daily commutes and longer weekend rides. Charging is easy and convenient, and because the battery is removable, you can top it up anywhere, at home, at the office, or in your garage. The frame features a foldable design, making the EB7 2.0 perfect for urban living, tight storage spaces, or throwing in the trunk of your car. Despite being foldable, it doesn't compromise on strength or comfort. The frame is sturdy, stable, and UL certified for safety, giving you peace of mind while you ride. One of the standout features is its 20-inch fat tires, which provide exceptional traction and shock absorption. Whether you're riding on pavement, gravel, grass, sand, or even snow, these tires offer a smooth and stable experience. Combine that with the dual suspension system, including a front fork and rear shock absorber, and you've got a ride that feels incredibly comfortable and controlled across all kinds of terrain. The EB7 2.0 also includes a 7-speed gear system, giving you flexibility when riding in pedal assist or manual mode. You can easily shift gears to match your terrain and effort level, making it efficient both for climbing hills and riding at speed on flat roads. It also features 3 working modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and manual, so you can choose how much power you want behind each ride. Whether you want a full electric cruise, a hybrid workout ride, or a traditional bike feel, the EB7 2.0 adapts on the fly. On the safety and control front, the e-bike includes front and rear disc brakes for reliable stopping power and enhanced control, even in wet conditions. You'll also find an integrated headlight and taillight, improving your visibility during night rides or early morning commutes. The LCD display is bright and easy to read, giving you real-time data like speed, battery life, distance, and ride mode. It's intuitive, functional, and lets you stay informed while you focus on the road. As a UL-certified e-bike, the EB7 2.0 meets strict safety and quality standards, making it a reliable choice for riders who value both performance and protection. In summary, the Jasion EB7 2.0 electric bike offers impressive power, high-speed capability, and all-terrain versatility in a foldable, commuter-friendly design. With its 1200 watts motor, 28 miles per hour top speed, fat tires, dual suspension, and removable battery, it's engineered for riders who want freedom, comfort, and excitement on every ride. Click the link below for the best price on the Jasion EB7 2.0 electric bike. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.